everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become part of the KEKE squad. While you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I post new videos. And today I'm coming at you guys with something a little special. I went to MCM and I picked up a cute little bag. Now this bag right here is very deceiving because the bag that I purchased is a mini bag. And if you guys know me, you guys know I love small mini bags. So I did get a mini bag, and I don't know if it's in the title or not, but if you guys want to see what I got, keep watching. So I went to MCM, to the store MCM, to get this purchase, and they already put it in a dust bag, and the receipt comes in a little package like this, or a little envelope like this. And I would recommend the person who sold it to me, but he wasn't all that good, so just saying. Okay, so the bag that I got is the Essential Crossbody Bag in a mini and cognac. So it's just a little shopper looking bag. But okay, I went there to look at 3 different bags. One bag, when I got there, I was like no, but he actually showed me the wrong bag. And then another bag was kind of like the Neverfull PM, but the handles were like this, like super short. I couldn't put it on my arm. So it did have a crossbody strap, but it was like too big for crossbody, and the handles were too short, so that was out of the question. But yes, this is the bag I got. Super cute. I wanted to wear it the other day, but I wanted to do the unboxing first, so I'm gonna take the plastic off the straps and scissors to cut this plastic. So it doesn't open wide, and you probably can't carry a lot in it, but for me, I can carry my whole life in it. So take the stuffing out. I think this is a charcoal pack. Don't need that anymore. This is I guess a card of authenticity. So that's what came in this little envelope inside the purse. And that's it. It has a tab way at the bottom that says MCM on it, but you guys probably can't see it. It has no pockets, no zip, no anything, just a snap to keep it closed, which was cool with me. It has the gold clips, the gold hardware clips to make it a crossbody, and it has a lot of, well, not a lot, let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 holes so you can adjust it. I know for me, I might need the last hole. Yeah, it comes with 2 loops, one up here, and then one to stick the excess strap in. But yeah, there you go. I'm sure that's gonna be perfect for me. I'll show you guys how it looks on me in a little bit, but I want to show you guys what can fit in here that I would be carrying. So because I'm vlogging all the time, I would have my vlog camera. Fits perfectly. I have the iPhone XS Max, iPhone X Max, girl, the 10 Max, whatever it's called. That fit in there. Some lip gloss, my MCM key clay. Fit, and I still got room to put a mask and my keys. Snap, and it's not that bulky. And everything fits perfectly in there. And this is usually what I would carry on a day out. So yes, perfect. Love it. And can't wait to wear it. I had to hurry up and do this unboxing so that I can actually wear it. Or unbagging so I can actually wear it. This is what it looks like up close. If you guys can see. Bring the camera down a little bit. This is how the bag looks on, or how it looks carrying the bag. Like I said, perfect size for me. I like small bags, and I did put it on the last strap. I wouldn't necessarily wear it as a shoulder bag, but if you're taller than me, you could. But crossbody it is. Perfect. I love it. Super cute. Fits my frame good, and yeah, it's a good little bag. So that's it. Just want to show you guys this bag if you guys were interested in it, and if you wanted to know, like, does it really hold anything, what you could fit in here. You can actually fit your stuff in here. Like, I got a whole camera and a whole big ass phone in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and comment, share, all that good stuff. Let me know if you guys want me to continue doing unbaggings like this when I get new goodies. This was actually an anniversary gift from Babe to me. Mini bag girls, you will love her. Hope you guys enjoy. Love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later.